Yeah, man. Welcome. If it's the first time you watch the channel, please do subscribe. This must sound like I'm ringing alarm. I mean to watch the channel, but please, I beg you, more reach up to 100. Forget the award, the trophy there, just show the achievement. You know what I mean? To subscribe, it don't mean you're gonna pay no money, right? Yeah, so we are try get the recognition up and running. So this is JAMMIWOOD, you know what I mean? Just like how you have Nollywood for Nigeria, Hollywood for America, Bollywood for India. This is JAMMIWOOD for Jamaica. Alright, so let's go. Just press the button, bam! And I could do it, you know what I mean? We keep on putting work. If you notice somebody we are putting more work, so show your appreciation by just clicking the notification bell. And we are working on JAMMIWOOD studio now, so you know we go. We have to do end we talk more, yeah? Because you know, so when it comes to talking, we talk all over. So let's go. Watch a movie.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing. JAMMIWOOD Studios. Love is real. That take me heart out of my chest and give to you. Give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue. Never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said love is true. Love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free.
You know, we still don't have stuff. I how you just take your man the money and now give man the nothing. And poor man and not give nothing. He might walk around and learn with them.
Like a dog.
You don't like him, man. You don't like if you see a new girl in the community.
Oh, I post new girl.
I want to talk about.
Film, I
Give me a check
know
for
film. Dashy film. This is
The
my
new
first
girl,
girl.
New girl.
My first girl me ever see come here aunt and so. He boy up on his foot there so I chat to him. Other night me see him when the boy a support tongue. As he come in as I saw one next time me see in a yard there a lay waiting. I'm just cry.
So you can't live like she. Then go hurt him. Me tell us. Then go hurt him.
Anybody with one and you know say man a bad man, right? You don't know how much bad man he deal with. But the one in a yard when me see other night, you want to see a boy set and that hoodie has like they has over him. So tell me now. Me not time with him for long enough because if I social program, me don't want to chat with him.
You see what I said too? Because if I saw him, I go stay. Me can't be friends.
You would talk with him. You know say, even the area leader money girl take. Yes! A girl enough time me see him a scratch out and yard and you don't know who that them and they be you know. But me not send unto them. Me don't even want you know say me know that the girl they because when things turn around two sides, I don't want my name get mixed up like that, yeah? Cause that them and the dark and full like a midnight.
Me know. Me just have pray say anything go wrong, you know, run come here.
Oh, anything go wrong?
Oh.
You see that the girl in come here in ride Dick and in ride Tommy and whoever. And him a big area leader. Him, you know that the man that do with the last girl when you used to there with
Me no want know, you know. Me no want know.
if you say I'm girl when you used to sleep with you and say you love the girl and come to me and tell me say you know say me that feel that kind of girl no real. Broke a girl neck, you know. And me know and other people know. And me can't go at police.
You can't do that.
Yeah,
You want that too?
So that's why when me see him come here, I just yell him up and smile with him. But I don't want man when people take it easier, yeah? And he did a ramp around the man.
No,
I take the
man.
man money. You don't know where he put himself
That's
in.
the
Know?
people business, I'll leave it alone. Here?
Oh, it's definitely.
You know what you talk about?
as a new girl, she not supposed to behave so. She be calm herself.
The first.
After her body, yes, but here you know, the man the way I give her money, she not give nothing. You see, squat out the road, we are walking and beg, I beg 100 a day time, and then she has done it.
I think I look good to the you know. I know say I think the girl the area leader like, you see me?
Because she look good.
And you see him and
We are going back here and we're going to talk.
you go on cause they were arguing bigger than you. And you see him and we're look something to impress him man. You see that them and they once you like him, I'm going to spend money for you.
Yeah, me
And you
know.
see, if you not give him nothing, I feel like you're going to take your money and run off so. You're going to run go in your grave, just remember that.
Me know. Well, I'm glad I will get figured out today. That was a good one. A long time I go to enjoy for myself, so.
Yeah, if you tell her it's nice, you see.
But I never like how them done there look power like so they jealous how we are something. I really like it, but I still enjoy myself.
Hello.
Yo, where
Me over my friend, you know.
yeah, come murder you right now. If you take money and things that goes up. Eh? Yo. Yo, you know hear me?
Girl, I know say me have to cut because one man just called me on the phone say he might come murder me and me have to cut go now. So thanks to me stay here, me have to cut now because I don't want him come see me here. So me have to cut now.
Here, so we do so. Make me want to come murder you. Girl, just bill. I mean, look how long may I leave. I just stay. You know, come over here, man, just over on the amount.
Girl, you crazy? That the man the serious girl. Because me take him money and me not give him no front. So he might come over here for true. So me have to cut girl. Me can't stay. A serious man them there. That me I tell you. I stay there about wardrobe man I make. A serious man them there, girl.
So, which part you go? Where you have to stay?
Girl, me have to go over my auntie place. My auntie be left one key with me. My auntie they overseas, so me have to go over my auntie place, go stay. Although me don't want to stay over there, you know. But me have to go stay over there because I'm in a trouble, so over there me have to go stay now, girl. Girl, you link here?
Alright, girl, just call me.
Alright.
As I reach over there, call me. Me no want you to know deal.
Yeah, girl, me I'll call her as me reach.
Alright, one hour we come off
Alright,
road.
alright, later. It's something about it. Good day. Hello.
Where your friend Kim there?
My friend Kim, you know she found that girl today, you know?
Listen, my man, you see that girl is style me wicked. Take my money and laugh off of me and run off. Listen me.
So yeah, let me ask you a question. Me tell you this now, sir. Why you choose to come in my house and ask me for Kim? And I come and load up a mouth in my house. Don't do that.
Listen me. I Kim me come from. And you see if you continue, me mark a bullet in your head.
But I don't me response to Kim. You come and hold gun for me.
Are your friend?
I'm my friend, but me don't know which part she there.
Listen me, we can't catch Harry, me catch you shot. So,
Catch it shot, catch it shot the more than one shot she have. Catch the other one. Me tell her which part she go. Go down a Cherry Lane. She have one friend down there named Alia. Go on to she will know which part Kim there. Me don't know which part Kim there.
I'm going to go to Holly and tell me say, okay, I'm come back for you.
Oh, Kim fit up here, Kim not up here. The man come and hold gun for me. The girl not in there so. Say the untidy. Not mind there so.
I'm gonna diss me. Wicked too.
I don't mean this is saying that fool I'm gonna for me, sir.
Oh no, the same, every woman are the same.
Hello, don't mix me and that girl together.
All
Do
of
not.
them nice up man, take their money and do what you want to do.
You
And
must-
I don't expect you to survive it.
So sorry, rest of me and mix up. Me tell you.
No, to me mad right now. Me just,
You ever see me I take no man money yet?
me can't see
Eh?
that.
So why you chat about me and
Anyway.
her the same thing?
Alright, just ease yourself and do what I just still. Me fine now. Me must find her now.
If you apologize, if you do them something, they come to people house and come and hold gun and for people and chat about talk bullet in either one bag of
Let me
stuff.
ask you a question. You ever see a bad man apologize? You ever see one bad? I thought I look, you look me there, lift up your gun and just pop too.
Go on. Popcorn and this a house here. Go on.
Say sorry.
Sorry if you want, I saw me not do nothing. Sorry.
Oh, okay, good. Later.
Someone here. Yeah, I'm lying, can't feel, but I'm not going to say.
Morning.
Good morning.
Now look for Alia. Alia there?
No, I know say Alia gone for the run.
Let me go there still. Come on for that right now. How long more check? Matter of fact, I'm not going to this. You know one girl named Kim?
Kim.
Medium body, dark
Me think so,
complexion.
you know, yeah, me know her.
Where she there?
But she not there here.
She not in there?
No.
You sure?
Sure.
Oh, well, anyway, still. You know, there's some money more girl still have a little catty and thing.
Oh, you know say she run a browning.
Run a browning.
Yeah, you can go and go check her.
Alright. Sure.
Sure.
So, where browning live?
You know say she live on the Akichi Lane on this so.
Okay.
Oh, this is his name, man.
Happy chill, yeah. I'm not forced on this, you know. So
The
it's
house
not
painting and blue and white.
blue and white.
Yeah.
Uh,
So you can go check her on there. Just there I go and use some Alia Wi-Fi.
she run there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's alright, yeah.
Alright.
Anybody call her, ask, nothing. More surprise, you know. I'm
Alright,
a
that
piece
good,
of
man.
money.
Alright.
When come up and give her a piece of change, you know? You're reasonable, man. You're a good girl, you know. Your compromise good, you know, man.
Alright, go on later.
So anyway, say you're alright, though.
Me good, man, me good.
You sure?
Sure.
Alright, we come up with me nice, yeah? Thanks.
Alright.
Morning. Morning.
Morning. I want to come check this morning. How going?
Not really. I come for a mission.
I want to have problem now.
I look for Kim.
Kim.
Get the faster down. Get the faster down. Where are you?
Me not do nothing.
Where Kim there?
Kim. You know, say girl did come stay with me for a couple of days and put him up. Me not know why him have. Please, don't kill me.
Me say, where Kim there? That me ask you. Where
He
there?
pack up in clothes the man gone about 2 days ago.
Where?
Up our yard.
Where you? Listen me. Where you at?
Up our red foot there so.
Where you at name?
Up our red hill, up our alley, that a big fat girl, man.
Me just a come from up there. Listen me.
I swear for my life has been there, so up there in there.
Listen, me no want to pop a shot in the head.
Please, you really, you know, say me I want good girl in my community.
Yo, listen me. Your friend diss me.
Well, you ain't more work
I
about that.
can't get her the shot and pay.
No, no, me I shot, no, me I shot. No, don't you?
And why shot?
I want a girl named Alia. I said Alia, they told him I been jam, but go on up there, me I tell you.
So me go back up there.
Yeah, you can come back and check me.
And she up there. Not only shoot, nigga, shoot, you know. You know all that thing about no one gunman in our hole. You see that gun here?
No.
I hit her go in there. I know me. Cause me a one gunman now go down in our hole. Cause them a idiot.
That
See, I
can't-
played in the song about gunman in the hole.
Me never played in the
When
song.
you down in the hole,
Me
I'm
never-
a gun are going down the
We
hole.
never played in a song because I don't like gun in my hole. Anyways, up there, me I tell you.
Run! Run! Yeah, man, you're there. You're there.
So
We
you
Kim there.
can't push me door for.
We Kim there. That me ask. We Kim there. Cause you're the only shot left now, you know. We Kim there.
Me and nobody shot.
We Kim there. Talk faster, man.
Kim not here. Kim left gone all long. 2 days ago Kim gone.
2 days ago.
Yeah.
2 days ago, Kim gone.
Yes.
So are you that on for?
Kim left because Kim said him do something bad and somebody can look for him, so she left. She wasn't here.
Listen, that girl that take my money and sit up, man, and feet say, me a idiot. I'm gone with money.
Are you into something bad too?
Oh, great, yo.
That's-
Yo. You don't know what run to me, no, man. You don't know what run to me, no.
Just look at this and shut it. Kim not there. She not there here.
Yo, me say, if me ever find her in here, when I done with it, you're
I
slim.
don't know where she gone.
You don't know where she gone now? You don't know where she gone now? Jump!
But she not there here.
Jump!
Why not?
Jump! Put up your hand. Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I said somebody count to 5. Count! Ramp with me, yeah? If you got 5, then we can count to next time.
One.
A bad man, yeah, Judge.
I'm sorry. Wait, man.
Kneel down.
Wait.
Go down. Go down for your hand too. Yeah. Pray to your God. Because only Him can save you.
Why you never know God?
If you never know God, I'm going to tell you to pray to your God. Because you see me, I'm never pull a chica, yeah. Not even.
Like what you have in your head, just bust now.
Not even. The Almighty up above can save you if you don't pray. That's why sometimes we take up in the Bible because you need a prayer right now. Because
I'm sorry.
you see if I hold a girl and I tell her. God,
Yeah, go and go look for her and hold her. No hold me.
you see. No.
Jesus!
I'll see you again soon. Remember, I'll see you again soon. You see, we can't find her. You hold her the friend, I'm going to feel it.
Me and her are no friend.
Me tell you, hold her, I'm going to
Me
feel
and her are no
it.
friend.
You say, anytime me done search for her today, I'm going to find her, try mark my word. You better pack up her left because me take 2 Mali and come for you hold on. Because if me and that Mali, that want to pray that and I beg me can't save me because me and that Mali me just start pop so.
You're trying to do it, so just go. No, please go. Go on.
You see, I'm looking at me name Papa Mali before I come over here. Because me Papa one, oh God. God Almighty. Now I'm going to save you.
Yeah, go on.
In the name of Jesus, me go on, but you see, every can't find her, me say, today. Holy God, you need to crank up and me come back for you. And me holy God, and me just put in your head and me just start squeeze. From me squeeze. Me tell you, you can't get up back. So try now and walk. Don't move, I soon come back.
My phone. My phone. Hello. Guys, mirror. Hello, Kim. Why you never tell me say that the man do your style? He man just come over here and come go gun pa me. You ain't gonna know you have gonna everything pan him, girl. You want me to call the police or you want to call the police? Because if they catch him with the gun, no. I'm not going to prison, you know. You want me to call him? Alright, hurry up and call him. Hurry up and call him. I don't want him to come back over here. Because I thought, boy, if he can't catch Harry, I'll catch his shot. You hurry up. Do. Or me we call him if you not hurry up. Alright. You hurry up, girl, do. Jesus Christ, man, left fire. You know me notice with you all time come over to the yard? I don't want to use Wi-Fi. I'm sitting no rain or fall.
One piece of rain fall out that way.
Let me see. What?
Where you are doing over here? Where you
Yeah?
Let me do over here. You know here say he done get locked up. They catch him with gun. Hey! Girl, all that alone. He say as somebody inform upon him and call police upon him and make police come catch him with gun. And anyhow when he come back, he might mash up the place. Yo.
Well, me glad today catch him car. Me know.
You mean they're glad?
We not trouble.
What you
Me
mean?
know that.
Me no trouble.
Yeah.
Oi, take me out of here.
What you mean they're glad?
First thing first.
When him gone to prison now, he might think that we are informer. He not
No,
trust
but
you
you
again.
cannot be time if you come out of prison, me gone.
You gone?
Be time if you come out, me
No.
gone.
Listen me. Are you call the police?
Me?
I don't know me call him. Me call
I know
Kim
me call him,
and
girl.
tell Kim say the man I look for. So probably Kim call him. I don't know.
Are you call him?
Me call Kim and tell Kim say Dana look for him.
Look here, he come down on me yard, you know.
You come over here too.
And that means...
So what you there? Are you sending me over here?
No? Why me send him over here?
Oh, after who tells you over here somebody?
Me don't know. You know say him and Dan, he know everybody business. He know
Well,
the
him come in now
information.
with gun for me. Me have to hitch up in a bed can over here so can't move. You
Eh?
hear? That him do. And come and say anyhow, him knows Kim over here. Wow, if he can't catch Harry, I'll catch some shot. Me don't know shot him and
That's
catch what
why
I
me
love
a
me
say,
shot.
be time if you come out of prison, me gone. Nobody no know shot. Not even uno know no shot me there. So no time there.
That I think, and you me say I'm let him go me run way.
Look here now, no it's so good now. And me not run go now, you know, because me not know if he run go. So when him come out of prison now, I mean, you don't want him come
Find
back.
somewhere
run
run
with
go.
me.
Find somewhere run go. Oh, you don't love your life. No, tell me.
What me a run for, me not do nothing. After me not do nothing.
What if innocent people dead and not do nothing?
Alright. Well, I just...
None of we not do
nothing.
nothing. None of we not do nothing. And he half everything.
Because when me get the call and hear so they catch him with gun. You have to run come over here, come tell you know.
You should run from me. I can't tell him that in the time teacher. Him supposed somebody here watching now. And I say, yeah, run come tell say police catching because I want to call him.
One of we, one of uno, no one of me.
No me.
So if you run come
No
over here,
me.
must you call him?
Me as girl, why me not call police for him? I mean, and him not have no beef or nothing.
Me, I'm not
So other day come over here ask you, you know. Other day come over here ask you, you know.
Me left uno.
You going there? No, I have nothing more going. Oh, because me I know that not beef up. Then I put a Kimmy if you go look for
Did
him.
me say?
Oh,
When
me
he
look
was
for
saying he might come out, he might disappear.
It's weird here. You go. Come with the.
Okay, have some more juice.
Hello. First, may I see you?
Yeah,
Where you come from?
no, when you were on here, no.
Oh, it's up here with the food door and all that kind of line.
Yeah, thanks.
I like to get to know you still, you know? And if that's possible.
Try a lot now.
Huh? Well, may I get the phone call? What are those?
Yo, hey, come here.
Yes, I just up with that.
So one girl down yesterday. I tell that girl, well nice, but
I don't know what to say to her that blank. Tell the girl to me like her and she said, try a lot now.
nice girl.
Yeah, when you tell me, I don't know why she said me have to just use a style and answer my phone and ring. I'll come out of the shop.
So I shop me, I go
So,
still
what do you think me can say to her?
I know. You tell her
I don't there I go.
no, shop me, I go buy something.
So now you're shopping in there?
Nice shop, you must
Yeah.
go on.
Me I tell her me don't slip out of the shop, she not gone.
Alright, we sit down there. We put in a red here. Alright?
Alright. May I wait for her?
No man, go on man. Sharpie. Even. For first man, I see her I say, you live around here, long time.
No, sir, you know, same. When you were on here, so.
I want to see your face though.
Yeah, man, that music.
Well, it's long time.
Yeah, right away, so.
My name is Greg here.
My name is Kimino.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Sharpie, give me one soda. Keep that thing. So, where's it? Hey, I don't live.
Yeah, man.
You can come down and come check out and tell me.
Yeah, you can check out.
I coconut man and big coconut bowl the place. You drink coconut jelly?
Yeah, man, you're talking.
Eh? Come can get your number.
I just know, you know, some nothing say, I forgive your number yet.
Alright, then one next time, eh?
Alright.
Alright. Blessed dear. You know, say I want hard girl to find. Me come as a while ago, somebody tell me say gone up by shop. Me go up by shop, then tell me say just left. Me go around and come back and come see, alright, everything good though. So I go on differently. Me say some work there have to do. Right? I'm come to do.
Well, the work there in our house to do and out here, so you see a place for me to fixing up. So just come and come see what I go and do work, no? Come in, man.
Alright. So the person who can't go pay the bill, right? Or are you?
Well, I personally go pay feet, you know.
Alright, well, I don't care who I pay for it, as long as I get paid for it now. You understand? Because if not pay for, something I go pay for. Body look good. You know what I mean? Me new to you too. But I tell them it's a man like some work, more my pay. But anyway, I'll show you a little rain and still. Can I show you a little rain in your under? Huh?
Yeah, man.
You look like you want to wash me away. So what's your name?
My name is Kimino. What is
Kimino.
your name?
I'm Fire. What's your name? Kimino? So try the name. You know what name Kim? You know you know. Your name Kimino or Kim?
My name is Kim.
Oh, just Kim. Alright. Well, nice to meet you. No.
Come here.
Yeah?
I'm going from grandmother to pick 2 jelly here.
You sure say for your grandmother you go?
Yeah.
Alright. Make sure say for your grandmother you go, you know. And you now go for no friend, go idly, you know.
Yeah, we now go to nobody else.
Make sure else me go come up the come see if me see you.
Alright.
Alright, go on and safe on the road, cause you know our vehicle them on the road stay.
Yeah.
So go on and careful on the road.
Alright.
Alright. Little more.
Yeah. I'm going for a
Bunny dog.
come on, stressed out.
Yeah, young youth, you know. So we miss a
I
stress.
see a girl I like, but every time I see her, I don't know what to say. It's like, when I not see her, I say, alright, I go tell her say I like her. Then when I see her, like, I lost a word, I don't know what to say. I don't know what. I don't know what do you think if you tell her, say, different than that. Because she's sexy and I really like her. If you get to know a relationship with me.
Young boy, a plenty time I go to the same situation when I was young. But I've learned that expressing yourself is the only way, you know what I mean? So when you see her, you just start with the first words and listen. If I, good morning, whatever time the day is.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You tell her the same way. Tell her, say, it's easy. Tell her, say, girl, I feel like Michael Jackson. And she goes, so what you mean by that?
Yeah.
I say, girl, I'm speechless. So my time, you know, say, all right, because I'm a young girl nowadays, you know. I watch Tell Live Vision and I watch a lot of things. I select to call them girl. So if it's a good girl, the things because most of them go talk to them soft, you talk to them rough and aggressive.
True.
Because a man must be like a lion. Rrr. Yeah, man. So if you step to her and you talk to her aggressive and show yourself. Confident is key. You should be, you know, some go want to honestly. You tell her, say, yo, before you're born and me born, it was destiny for us to be together. You think I lie? Give me a try and see. Just tell her, say that. You know, just give me a try and see what I can do. You know what I mean? I make your gray sky them blue. You know what I mean? They tell them violets are red, roses are blue. You know what I mean? And all of them look at something. Enough of them know them at school, right?
Yeah.
So you're not shy if you say what you have to say. Because if you don't say it, somebody else go say it. And I look how strong girl I see when the place I walk up and down.
Yeah, man, and she see him one. No long me I watch her last night. Me even see her on party room and she winding up and I just stay saying in the dark. I'm afraid. You know,
but there's other things you can't manage. Look at a girl, a big, tall and strong daddy. Why you not take a little brown one?
No,
it's like a brown one.
They can't do nothing.
Alright. Well, it's simple
I
though.
live like a you daddy, a king. Like me see have one big thick one on so. Daddy, are you, or even you to give girl around so.
You tell her one I think.
You don't give me no like girl.
But you may say no. You see, assumption is a dangerous thing. I mean, make the youth them sing the song we say, everybody thinks I'm there with her. I'll if I open the door and pull out a chair. You understand?
Yeah.
If most of the girls them with me, them not there. You understand? Me and them, I'm friend them. Because it's good to have woman friend. Because man to man is so unjust. You don't know who to trust. Because I remember, me have a virgin one at a time. And when me go buy my first car, and him came up on the road to go buy the first car, him said, man, for rob me. Second car, when I go buy my second car, I carry a woman to go, when I go buy the car. And you know what happened? She made me get the car cheaper. Because the man who was selling the car, look on her so, and collect less money. So you see, me and woman have luck, me and man have no luck. So every woman is my parade, no means them there. But you know, I cannot give to you what is not mine. I don't own them.
So you can't set a link to say that young youth there, you give her money or even for David.
You have money?
Me have to get one side work. I get 2,000 a day.
This me I say to you, daddy. You try to put on your money for rainy day, yeah? You try to put on your money. You must have brother and sister. Can you go give money, go give them. Them a big woman and don't want the money for you.
But I want to enjoy myself.
You want to enjoy yourself. You go on a beach, go swim. A river. You say you go strong girl. She new and she young. Talk to she. The big woman, them what you see me a roll with, you can't mind them. Because them want vehicle. You're $2 a day. Not to because I must say $2 a day not enough money, you know. Because you go buy them lunch at daytime. Lunch at 100 an hour. 1,500 for lunch. For them lunch. Because they go want drink stuff. So where you go get it? So 5 years ago, save a day.
So you can lend me money and I go take one of them.
If you talk my man, this now get a strong girl, you know. You just stick to one.
See them, them that, you know.
Yeah, man, them good, man. So later you talk to she, though, because she rolls all over you there. No bridging that. No same bridging that.
Nah, I waste man.
But your friend that, alright. Anyway.
Around so I go pick 2 coconut because my grandmother say one so jealous.
Alright, so I'll do pick 1 coconut for she, come.
So you set the link for me.
Listen.
If you want me.
No, we may set to you now, daddy. Them link they done set already. Because I set the link already as a foundation road model. Every man fi have a woman. So even them hear me talk all the while, so them know so they want a man if they not have no man. So all you have to do is talk to them. So if you not talk to them, and next man go get them. So me done set the link already. All thing you have to go to her and tell her. Yeah, because if you tell her, say, hi, send you, Rastafari, say, yeah, you must do that and done.
Differently. For you. How much girl did you have when you were there my age?
Where I used to live in a tenement yard. And a tenement yard, a big tenement yard. So that place is full of young girl. So in them time, I have a lot of young girl. But as you grow along, you realize, say, 20 young girl, no make no sense. You know what I mean? 40 of them say, better have one. I stick to that one and build life with that one. You know what I mean? In a longer run, you're married and settle down like my cousin.
Oh.
My cousin Tax. My cousin Tax settle down and live a good life. Daddy used to look on the one them run up and down. You have 10 girls. You're broke and pauperizing. Listen me. Tell me I tell you. You get a one woman, you breed her, you married her, you call it a day. And you try fight yourself out of slavery. Because you see, the things that we not worry about as young people, you don't see the facts of life. You know what I mean? Let me ask you to, alright now. What is SSL?
SSL.
You not even know, and the country have give money to SSL after. So there's a lot of things going on as young people. You not even know what's going on. So I tell you, it's a banking institution with some money miss up, and then the government itself try to bail it out when how much people they are hungry and you know, bail them out. But the richer stay richer. So we have to break away. Before we multiply, bam, that's one of it. But you have to remember, say, every action will bring a reaction, and them reaction they're not going to bring no satisfaction. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you may say now, educate yourself. But what go on, you get a one girl, you try to navigate yourself out of Jamaica to go get work and come back, you can live. Jamaica is a place to live, not a place to work. You understand? If you have too much young people, you have no work, no money to make. People go dead, yeah. I mean, I tell you, I'm sighting at the vision.
I'm going to road the wrong company.
But what I say to you now, I'm sighting at the vision, say, go come true. So all you have to do for now, you grab your one girl, you know, settle down, when you go on one thing, and you know, say, pave a way to one to go your friend, go work and pull the next one over there, then you come below us and make Jamaica a place to live. You understand? Yeah. So that's that now. But anyway, we can't talk you too long, you know. Because I think the deal is still. But
I go pick coconut.
Do you have to do, man?
Yeah, I go check her, man. I pick coconut. Do you have to do? Fine now. And get the jelly water.
Alright, do you have to?
Alright.
Yes.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Right there.
No, in Ghana, checking grandmother.
How long it might take to come back?
To tell you the truth, you know, I don't know how long, because he says some coconut, you know, go pick here.
They know so differently though. But I want to reason with you about something in the car. I reason with mommy and mommy run me.
Yeah.
Alright, so me explain.
Yes.
One girl in our community where I like her, but I don't know what to say to her. Like, I just shy when I see her. You understand? So when I see her, I don't know what to say to her. I say to mommy, and mommy I run me and I say, you know, you're nothing about no girl. I don't know if you think about them sitting there now. So I don't know if you could have given me the
Well,
best.
that is true about the too young, but at the same time people are feeling. And you can't. But here what happen now. You see, when you see the girl, you have to know if you approach her. You can't go and then wait there. You understand? You can't see her around, walk up to her and say, good morning, beautiful, or, you know, compliment her. You understand?
Yeah, man, I understand.
Yes, because woman and a whole in love compliment, you know? So you just compliment her and then, you know, see how she respond to you. And then you can ask her name. And, you know, from there, so you can have a conversation if she into it.
Yeah, man, that sounds good, but you know, like, feel like me just nervous and this year.
No. Well, at first you're going nervous. But you have to be brave, man. You have to just brave up as a man. You know, just brave up when you see her, you just brave up yourself and just approach her. If you have doubt in yourself, you're not going to go forward.
Maybe I true that, you know, maybe true me have doubts so I can't get her.
Right. So when you see her, man, you just brave up yourself, man, and just approach her as a good boy or a gentleman. You just approach her. You know, give her a good compliment and then we're there.
But then, if me go get her now, can't get her go meet mommy, because mommy not even like that.
No. As you meet her, so you can't, you just meet her and run, go carry her, go give mommy. Try to feel her out first. And then you can just give mommy a little hint, you know? You just rush her up her mommy, so, you know? Just give her a little hint and see how she react to it, and then, you know? You can move along with it, how she respond.
Yeah, man. So thanks, me Cheryl, for your advice, you know?
Yeah, man.
I'll see if me can get through.
Yeah, man. Try, man. Nothing beat a failure but a try. You understand?
So I'll see if me say Craig also.
Alright, you might see him on the road or come in because you say I'm going to pick coconut in grandmother. And a good little while now in gone.
Alright then, so thanks,
yeah, man, I'll take care of the road, man. Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Alright.
You're alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
no,
take
me
care
not
of
good, man. More on time, so let me get her cooking.
I saw the young boy still.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's how, just believe in yourself so you will get her, right? You will get her. Right?
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, alright. And you take care, man.
Alright.
Alright, yeah. Well, you come back quick, man.
Yeah.
You know, say your friend Nick did come check for you.
Nick?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what am I saying?
He just come and ask me for them. I tell him, say you're going to pick some coconut for your grandmother. And he there for a little while and then he go.
Not even see him from morning, because I did link him about something, but he say I want to talk to him, but I don't link him yet.
Okay.
He didn't tell you nothing.
No tell me nothing pertaining to you, only to himself.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so do mommy, I want girl. This one girl up on the road that I like. I don't know what to say to her. Every minute I see her last night when I said I go shop to her. I party, birthday party, I keep up with her. I don't know what to say to her.
Look here, me can't advise you on that. Because of the same thing they come to me about. And me tell me about one new girl who come in the community. Mine another same girl when Nick have your iPad, you have your iPad, you know.
No, sir. My girl and newer girl. And the girl that just come in.
You're sure she's not the same girl?
Sure, I'm not telling you lie, I'm sure.
Girl, you're sure she's not the same girl? You know the girl I'm talking? Alright then. Okay then, but they say one new girl who come in the community.
Mama want some advice.
Me give Nick advice already. So here what you do? You better you call your father.
Your father?
Nick don't have no father to give
Me
you
like
advice.
talk to him about
Talk
this
to your
something.
father about that, man. Talk to him, him a man. Him are the best person to give you advice about that.
If you not talk to me, then me
If he
come
not
back to
talk to you, then you come back to me.
you.
Right? But talk to him first.
Oh.
So wait, you pick your coconut for your grandmother?
Yeah, me pick them.
And you could not even carry not even one coconut come give me?
No, she said you have coconut tree, don't have me never carry none
That
from
no
you.
make no difference. Every coconut, for me coconut no must taste like fair coconut. And you could not even carry one, let me try.
Next day tomorrow, I'm go to me carry one here.
Alright then, sir. So you say, I don't hope you carry come give me. Because I know you stay, you know.
No, me I carry for you.
Alright then, we will see about that part.
I'm clean out the coop and cover it.
Alright then. Yeah man, go do that. Go do that.
Sweet girl Kim. Sweet girl Kim. Oh, I'm like that sleep. Just sleep, sir.
You know about that. So I want.
I pull it in. No, if you pull, you see like a star. So this is about last question I asked last night. You don't think about it yet?
Then I must. Remember, I want to give you a chance.
So I say, give me a chance.
Of course, I want to give you a chance. We think about everything already.
With you?
Yeah. You say I want good youth or something. Someone can give you a chance.
Whoop in and play with me now, because when I turn that at you, I beast mode. So, I say, well, now we have to start something strong.
Look like me a joke to you.
You never say I drop my lap to understand.
Anyways, yes, me serious.
Well, I'll tell you the truth, I'm not disappointed in a relationship with you there.
Alright.
Because I said before, me as an honest youth, I'm there look you. If on the first day I see you, you pick jelly come give you, and you never ask me for jelly. You understand?
Yeah, that's true.
So now we all get enough jelly and enough water. Right? So what are you doing now? Sleep?
Yeah, I'll finish and go sleep.
Yeah, so we can come for dinner then.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Like over there, I'm looking for a Christian. Hey.
Yeah. Well, oh, your face looks so pleased.
No man, yeah, I'm gonna check down the road. Grandma, I'm gonna look for her.
So your granny, you go look for make your face look so pleased.
No man, hey girl, I'm gonna check a girl before I go up for grandma. I'm go over there and she said she'll give me a chance.
So she said she'll give you a chance?
Yeah, we do what daddy said me to do. I say it to her and then me come back last night but she never answer yet. When I go over there back now and she answer me and she say yes. And me get one kiss. She give me a kiss.
That
Yeah?
mean to say she really mean business then, man.
I go pick some jelly go here.
Yeah, go pick jelly car, go get her. You never pick no jelly car, come give me.
No, me care. See jelly, but you never see it. Me carry from last night.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, but me I get one thing because two me they promise you. Me get one.
So where you go do now? You go back to the ski girl?
I'll be here and fresh off and back on the road.
I saw you happy. Man,
Me I'll be there. Where you cook?
me not start cook yet.
Alright.
So by the
By the
time
time
you
you
go,
done bed.
yeah, by the time you go and come back, go to the girl and come back, we do.
Alright then.
Alright?
Yeah.
So go on then. Alright.
Even beautiful.
You know what?
What are you doing?
You're there. But, you know, you come out still.
I'm come if you give me a chance.
Yeah, man. You know, man. You know, say me give Greg a chance already. So, now can't work out.
So how comes you give Greg a chance? Greg not deserve you. He not love you like me. What kind of style like that?
Yeah, I know say chewing come first, first come, first serve, so you go.
Alright, that's a 40. I know I'm on free money.
Where would I be, Jah? It's not for you, yeah, Jah.
Oh, yeah.
Blessed.
Yeah, you know, see Craig,
You know, someone see him. You not find him back yet. He not come back.
around 5 days now, me no see him. And me go up and grandmother, me go everywhere where me think say him woulda there. And me no see him. Me even see him friend Nick, you know, me ask Nick, and Nick say, him no see him no know where in there.
Yeah, man, that's strange. Wow, which night or the last night you see him?
In the yard Thursday night. Thursday night in the yard.
And then he goes on
And then Nick come call him and him and Nick leave out of the yard.
And then he not come back.
And then him no come back.
Me sure you see solve the case, man. You solve the case a while ago, you know. Because and Nick and him me see him Thursday night there.
See him and Nick?
Yeah, and then they have a little argument over one girl. Same one new girl come in the era. The one new girl have an argument over. And then I see them walk down or some place. So yeah, if somebody can ask about that now, it's Nick. You know what I mean? So man to man is unjust. But what's that you know do nothing to him though. But even that only man things I don't know where about. But because normally you say girl and run where you know so you find them a man yard. So did you go up at the girl yard, go ask?
Me no know which part the girl live. That is the thing, you know, me only hear say a two girl. Because Nick I tell me about one.
And one girl.
Me ask Greg, you know.
Let me see two of them and one
Me
girl.
ask Greg, me say Greg, I open up the girl when Nick a talk about, you know. And he say no, mommy. Me say you sure? He say yes, I know the same girl.
So we're gonna go on and now. It's rough. I see him girl, what tell up how the girl live.
Tell me which part the girl.
Alright. You see when I go up the road and you turn the first corner just so right a big Joe shop and you take the next right turn. You know Bev?
Bev, yes.
Yeah.
I think yes.
The white lady there. They come
Yes.
from England.
Yes.
Yeah, a right side of female yard. So you find TR yard you're right next to her so on your left hand.
Okay,
Yeah, man, so
okay.
and
Me go for the girl, you know.
And
Me
then-
go ask the girl and see if she have any idea.
Super.
But me no know. But fire, we just have a feeling say Nick know about which part Greg did.
Check your girl first. Because I don't know if a girl kidnapped me up a yard. If you go up a girl yard and know up there, then you can check what Nick did.
You feel say me should have go check the
Check
girl,
the girl first. And then you check Nick.
And then me check Nick.
Yeah, I think of that the right way. Because, like them say, girl run away, you find girl a man yard.
Yeah.
Your son running at him 5 days. You know lick him around for you, know?
No. Me and him didn't we have a good conversation. We sit down and eat and whatever. And then Nick come and call him and say, man, him a go somewhere and he go out there with Nick. And then me no see him after that.
Alright, so check your girl first. Because we don't want to jump to conclusion and then, check your girl and then you can figure it out after.
Alright then.
Let me know what go on. Let me know what
Yes,
go on.
fire. Me will make you know what go on. Thank you. Alright?
Yeah, you think about the future.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Hello? Hello? Just a minute here. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you the new girl me hear them talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Greg's mother.
Yes, I know them good.
Alright. 5 days now me can't find Greg. You have any idea which part him there? Because me there up and down, me go up on my mother, we go up and friend them, and we can't find him. And the last person did see him was Nick. And he say, him no have no idea where in there, him no know which part him there.
Well, you know, say, Missy Nick the other day, and he tell me, say, Greg gonna find or something. I'll pick up white woman and gone over, so.
So they tell you?
Yeah, and me love half Greg, you know. Because me love half Greg, me I tell you.
And Nick tell me say him no know which part Greg there. So how him tell you say Greg gone with white man and he tell me say him no know which part Greg there. That mean to say Nick know something. Nick know which part Greg there then. Because if I tell you that I tell me one different story. It two of them not had up. That mean to say he know which part Greg there.
To tell you the truth, you know, me decide to more than give Greg a chance, but from that day, them me no see him back. So, me dey plan say more than give Nick a chance instead of Greg, because me no see him.
Greg not gonna no foreign. Because if Greg in the go foreign, me would be the first person Greg tell. And from Greg not tell me say me go foreign, Greg not gonna no foreign. I lie Nick I tell you Nick want you. But you just fall for when he tell you. Yeah, thank you for your time and have a good day. But me have to go back now and go check Nick to find out what he really know, because to what you say him tell you and what him tell me and then add up, me have to go find him to find out where my son be. So have a good day.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Nick,
Yes, sure.
come here.
I'll come here. I'll go on, Mr.
Yes. Oh, me ask if you see Greg. After you and Greg leave out of the yard and you say no. And the girl where you a look and Greg a look. The girl tell me say you come tell her say Greg find white woman and gone a foreign. And she surprised now how regular Yana and meet up and then we're there. And Yana there right.
No, so I lie that.
So the girl a tell lie upon herself?
Yeah, man, I lie, she a tell upon me.
No, me not tell me not think the girl a tell a lie upon you know. So where Greg there? You and Greg leave out of the yard.
Hey,
right?
Cheryl.
Yes.
Who you more for believe? Me who grew up with Greg. You think me I go do something?
Look here, man. You see, when you come on to woman, man is easy to be influenced over woman. And you can't do that and want woman, and you see, so the woman appear more interest in a Greg. So you try to hurt Greg. But look here, man. You see, if you try, look here, if you try to hurt me, pitney, you know. Look here, man.
Man.
Look here.
Where
your mother
is a good friend.
Look here, man. You see, when you come on to me, pitney, friend and me no wrong. You hear me tell you? Well, if you tell me where me pitney there. When there? Mr. Hey, you want me pop off your
Tell me, sure. I did lock him up in one of my friend house. I got a fine because they give me a key. Because show me they don't want the girl and didn't get him, so I have to try to do something to make me get her.
For 5 days you lock up me pitney in the house?
Me feed him doing good. Nothing I did. I not hurt him.
Look here, man. Yawa. Just over woman you try to hurt me pitney, but you lock up me pitney in the house. I feel pitney.
Sorry about that, man. But you know something like a girl and she just leave her alone.
Look here, no man, no who and no woman. You hear? And if the girl, look here, man, hey, boy, look here, the woman does need a few nar for him. You understand? And make sure say nothing under me pitney, you know. Look here, man. Look, come show me your hand. Because you don't know what happened to me pitney. You know what you do with me pitney? You come show me your hand.
You can't show you, I never sure.
Well, can me go show me which part in there. Look here, man, no do your hand. You just can't me go show me which part me pitney there. So, I hear so you have my son.
Yeah, for sure.
For the 5 days I hear so you have my son.
Yeah.
But you're not easy, boy. Greg! Greg! Look here. I'm so glad to see you. Hey, boy! Look here.
You tell me about how much be.
And he might tell me, say, no know which part, he might tell me, say, no know which part you're there, you know.
Damn boy, do smooth.
Look here, man. Stay right there, so.
Don't
move from there.
My dear over here, boy, I get back.
Boy, let me tell you, say. Let me tell you, say, boy. Let me tell you, say.
Don't let him go, mommy.
Let me tell you, say. Me nah let you go, you know. Me nah let you go. Me nah let you go. It's either you start to go tear up or something. Look which part you have me picnic. Who over woman? Who over woman? You have me picnic in here, so. For 5 days.
I mean we do it.
Oh, you mean say you mean to do it? So how you do it?
Come here, carry you go station.
Right.
You tie me up.
Right.
Give me hand.
Right. Carry me, come, we go carry me go down a station.
Hold on.
Tie him up, make him feel how he
Hold on,
feel.
them.
Right. Make him feel how he feel. Same like how when you not feel.
Yeah, man, your friend in you.
No, not friend
You
in
could
this.
never be a friend.
Right.
You tie me up, so.
If you're a friend and you treat him, so then suppose he was the enemy.
You kill me.
Alright. Yeah, man, give him a dose and one medicine.
Come on. Come on, go.
Right. Right. Lick him up in our head.
Yeah, man! Back again in live and living colors. So we're going to go on now, really and truly. Me I do some work. JAMMIWOOD studio. It's a rough task, you know what I mean? And sometimes you ask for like donation, you get a lot of promises. You get 100 promise and one person come through most of the time or none. But now we have to look into ourselves as black people. What are we doing to push ourselves forward? Too much people are dead off my country right now. And we are trying to save ourselves, you know what I mean? So we are trying to get this place up and running so we can start shoot there, you know what I mean? And a local donation, we just push it forward, make it move faster than me doing it. Because if I don't get the donation, I'm still gonna finish it, but it's gonna take a longer time, right? So if you're there and you can manage it, if you can't manage it, that's good. What you do in the meantime, just share the content with the people and tell them what we do and what we're doing, because maybe them who you tell can do the donation if they have it. If they don't have it, it's okay still. We continue doing the fight because we are fighting for survival. We're fighting for changes. You know what I mean? In a country where I live, we don't really get the support we really need, and that's how you go. But we have to rough it out because we're born rough and tough. You know what I mean? So we're not change to please nobody, and I don't want nobody change to please we neither. You know what I mean? So if you're a kind person, you donate. If you're not kind, you're not to do it then. You know what I mean? That's how you go. But give thanks. You know what I mean? Watch your content, share it. You know what I mean? The number go there for who want donate. You know what I mean? Just call and tell you how to get it done. You know what I mean? It can work. It's easy. You know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna bring you to the studio to show you where we are now. You know what I mean? And then when we get to where we're gonna be, you can remember where party start from. So stay tuned. We're gonna go by JAMMIWOOD studio and you're gonna see the location and where it is. Alright, so the number gonna be there for you subscribe, if you make a donation, if you want to see it done faster. We're gonna start shooting today. Let's go. It's gonna be cut in 5 different parts: prison, bedroom, shop, original shop, and a clothes store and a kitchen. So the kitchen can use a multitask. I can use the kitchen for maybe inside of a restaurant. So it's gonna be a lot of different. I'm optimistic to see what's gonna come out of it because that's what we do. Whereas most of the day we get up and we go do a movie. Most of the time I don't know the movie we're gonna do. I just another day what the day come with, whatever the morning come with, whatever happen, I say come. You know what I mean? So take what you can go do it though. Thanks for watching. You know what I mean? Thanks for the support. Now watch the we're probably there now with this place. Alright? Let's go. Thanks for watching. We're on a journey of going to put in some work as usual. This is a shop at the hardest part left to do. The closed store finish on the door to put on. Just finish the room finish. Yeah man. Maybe now you will say because music I play. You can overjoin the music. Do it see what you're writing and go on. We caption it. Put it down to the ground. Thanks for watching.